Hey, good evening, news media, parents, families, students. I'm Carrie Visger, and I'm so sorry I'm unable to be there this evening. But I wanted to just share a little bit about news media and what our purpose is in the course. It is considered a precursor to yearbook, which only 8th graders can do. But it's not a requirement that you go on to be in yearbook. So just so you know, if you want to do yearbook, this is kind of a shoe-in for you. I want to show you real quick our Schoology page so that you get an idea of how I structure things. Every week I have the agenda here for you. I have a link here to my Gmail and my web page and the daily bell schedule. I believe this might be 6th grade. I'll have to double check that. In news media, what we're working on really this first semester is podcasts. So the idea is that every week students will get podcasts that they can choose from. And it looks similar to this board here. You can see it here on my Google Slides. Each one of these podcasts is a different story or a different activity for the students to listen to. As we become more and more familiar with podcast stories, we're going to start writing and recording our own podcasts. So for the first month or two, we're going to listen, we're going to analyze them. I'm not sure if I can show you exactly what the analysis worksheet looks like, but kids do 4 of these a week. So each one's worth 25 points. They are allowed to structure their time how they see fit. I have given kids permission to do homework, schoolwork, priority above what we're doing in class. If they need to work on a math assignment, they can sit and work on that math assignment. What we're doing is building those soft skills for yearbook next year. So we're listening to the podcast, we're going to write one, we're going to record one, produce podcasts. We also have opportunities for the kids who are interested to read the announcements, read the pledges over the loudspeaker. Many of the students have expressed interest in doing that. Hopefully we'll get going on that. I'm shooting for maybe the end of October or the beginning of November for us to be ready to do those announcements. All in all, a fun class for the kids. Should be a review of some grammar, some spelling, some writing, things like that. And hopefully just kind of a relaxing, fun elective for everybody. If you have any questions on what we're doing or how we're doing it, please feel free to reach out. Email's the best for me. You can call, but I can't guarantee I'll return it quickly. I'm terrible at checking my messages, but emails I'm on all the time. So feel free to reach out. Happy to have your kids. They're a fantastic bunch. We really have a lot of fun. And hopefully I'll talk with y'all this year. Take care.